Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. I'm Shivangveer Singh, a second year MBBS student, your friend through your medical journey. I know it has been a very rough battle between you versus boards and NEET ka paper and uska preparation, but I think you should be proud of yourself because you survived it, and I'm pretty sure throughout this journey you must have learned something about yourself. So clap for yourself and be proud about it. Finally, ab ye cheez khatam ho gaya hai and you're on the other side of the story, which is the most important. But the biggest question in your mind would be कि भाई अब क्या movies and series binge watch करे, outing with friends, family, ये भी important है भाई, गर्लफ्रेंड बनाओ, बट मेरे कॉन्टैक्ट लिस्ट पे तो बस एक ही फीमेल का नंबर है, वो है मेरी मम्मी, कि पढ़ाई वापस। ये दिमाग में तो किसी के नहीं आया होगा कि पढ़ाई करनी है। झूठ मत बोलो मेरे से। मेरे हिसाब से ये सब करो, but the most important thing for you right now to do is what I like to call the R&R, which is relax and reflect. Relax and reflect basically means you have to relax yourself, relax your mind right now and reflect on what you have done. Take a break from those ugly NCERT books that तुमने चाट के पूरी गीली कर दी हो, highlighter और pen के English पे तुमने किस दिए हो, and reflect on yourself. Simple. While reflecting, you have to just realize and understand कि आपने क्या goals set किए थे, आप पेपर में क्या करके आए हो और अभी आपको आगे क्या करना है। जो आपने टारगेट्स या मार्क्स सेट किए थे वो आप अचीव कर पाए नहीं कर पाए, आपकी हार्डवर्क जितनी थी कितनी थी, और फिर आप आते हैं मेन पॉइंट में कि आपने क्या किया है। Sometimes a lot of aspirants just forget about it, where they don't want to know what they have done in the paper and just want to ignore it. And आपने क्या अचीव किया है और आपने कितना उखाड़ा है पेपर में, वो आपको पता होना चाहिए. That is the only thing that's going to help you in planning your next move, your next step. So the first goal is to find how much you have scored. There are a lot of answer papers that are released from different firms like Motion, Akash, and what's that? Alan. And you should analyze your paper. Then there are two types of students. Students that are getting more than 550 and students that are not getting. I am taking 550 as the benchmark to take a government seat in a medical college for MBBS. So that is why I call it the safe zone, because इसमें there are two types of students which are very sure कि उनके 550 से भी ऊपर है and they will get a government seat. So who are absolutely sure about it, congratulations to you. आपका result शानदार है and you get what you desire. On the other hand, those who are unsure about their marks and they're very anxious and nervous और उनको पता नहीं मैंने क्या करा है, जिन्होंने already drop लिया था and they're unsure about their preparation and unsure about the result this year as well, there is something that you really need to know, that I believe that you worked hard for it and I'm sure that you know that you worked hard for yourself. You should take a break. You don't have to be so hard on yourself. आपने इतना साल प्रिपेयर किया है. This is time to relax and put your mind at ease. Stop thinking about it because अभी जो तुम्हारे हाथ में नहीं है वो नहीं है. Mean time पे आप क्या कर सकते हो? You can do all the things that you want to do, that you desire doing, जैसे मूवी देखना हो गया, दोस्तों के साथ बाहर घूमना हो गया, फैमिली के साथ एंजॉय करना हो गया. And even if you do not get your desired result, this break will be very important before you take another drop, ताकि आपको एक burnout ना feel होए, which is very possible, जो आपको आगे जाके हो सकता है. Now the kids who scored less than 550 and who are not very sure what to do. See, I think you are on a safe zone to get a private seat, but a very risky zone to get a government seat. If you have bad scores because आपके पास time कम था, आपका preparation ठीक नहीं था, and you believe you can do better, then I think you should take a week off and start your preparation immediately, because अभी आपको burnout वाली feeling आई नहीं होगी क्योंकि आपने immediately पढ़ाई शुरू किया. So I think this is the right time to take a week off, relax your mind and start immediately. Make use of every single day that you have. On the other hand, जिसने अपना 100% दिया है and they are still unsure about it due to any other circumstances, which could be health, family, don't feel so overwhelmed. It's just a part of life, and don't feel कि हर एक बंदा अगर ड्रॉप ले रहा है तो मुझे भी ड्रॉप लेना चाहिए. It does not work like that. हर इंसान का एक अलग mindset होता है, एक thinking होता है, हर एक इंसान का अलग path होता है. So you don't take a drop just because वो किनारे वाले आंटी के बच्चा भी ड्रॉप ले रहा है और आपके आइलैंड में भी दोस्त एक ड्रॉप ले रहा है. It does not work like that. अगर आपका gut feeling बोल रहा है that you need to take a drop and you think you can be consistent, you can work hard and put that dedication for another 1 year till the next NEET 2024, then go for it. Follow your gut. But if your gut at the same time is not sure about it, maybe you should discuss with your friends, your families, your teachers and your mentors कि आपको क्या करना चाहिए. And I'm telling you again and again, हर इंसान को ड्रॉप लेना ज़रूरी नहीं है. Now, if you're not sure कि आपको ड्रॉप लेना है कि नहीं लेना, तो इस टाइम पे आप क्या कर सकते हो? This was a very fun activity to do, जो मैंने भी अपने टाइम में किया था, where you explore your colleges, the city you want to go to, the state you want to go to, and get to know about it. Research करो, उस कॉलेज के बारे में रिसर्च करो, गेट टू नो अबाउट दैट कॉलेज, तुम्हारा इंटरेस्ट क्या है, तुम्हारे लाइक्स क्या है, डिसलाइक्स क्या है. यू शुड एक्सप्लोर ऑल ऑफ दैट एंड यूटिलाइज योर टाइम लाइक दैट. दिस इज समथिंग दैट अ लॉट ऑफ मेडिकल स्टूडेंट्स इग्नोर, is the choice between MBBS and BDS. हमने काफ़ी ग्लोरीफाई कर दिया है MBBS कोर्स को एंड काफ़ी डिसऑनर और डिमीन कर दिया है BDS को. These two courses within themselves are very difficult and reputable. तो I think you should be open about it, respect it as well जितना तुम MBBS को respect करते हो. It is not necessary कि तुम्हें BDS ही करना है या MBBS ही करना है, but you should keep an open mind and think about it. There's a very big stigma in the society about BDS, but there should not be, because you will only realize the value of a dentist जब आपके दांत में दर्द हो रहा होगा और आपको रूट कनाल कराना पड़ेगा, and then maybe you will realize the importance of this medical field, dentistry. Third thing, I think you should detox yourself. आप बहुत देर से किताबों और YouTube पे फंसे होंगे और YouTube चैनल्स पर वीडियोस देख रहे होंगे पढ़ाई का, एंड आपने अपना स्लीप शेड्यूल पूरा हार्म कर लिया होगा, अपने ईटिंग हैबिट्स एकदम हार्म कर लिए होंगे. So I think this is the right time to get yourself back on track and fix up your circadian cycle. Number 4, main thing which I would like to focus on. During these preparations आपको अपने बारे में काफ़ी पता लगा होगा कि आपकी strengths और weaknesses क्या है, कि आपकी क्या capabilities है. And I think this is the right time to know more about yourself because you are still in your teens. इस time को utilize करो अपने आप को explore करने के लिए, अपनी likings, dislikings, strengths और weaknesses को अपने strength बनाने की कोशिश करो. This is the right time to do so. You can do so by reading books, watching some self-help movies, reading self-help books, exploring things that you're interested in and that can help you in life. Fifth point, you never know अगर आप 2 महीने बाद कॉलेज जा रहे हो तो आप कितना टाइम अपने फैमिली के साथ स्पेंड कर पाओगे या फिर अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ. This is the right time to spend time with your friends and family, and most importantly, spend time with your family in the little things that you do. Like cooking with your mother, having dinner with your family on the dining table, साथ में बैठ के खाना खाओ, ताकि वो जो छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं वो आप चेरिश कर सको जब तक आप घर पर हो. And the sixth and the last point in the end, I would like to say, if you strongly believe in something, I think you should follow it, but follow it wisely. It be taking a drop, taking a government seat, a private seat, or choosing between MBBS, BDS, or maybe leaving this line of medicine and going into a different line. ये आपके ऊपर है कि आपका गट क्या बोलता है, and you should take a decision wisely by consulting your family, your friends, your mentors. With that, this video comes to an end. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope मैंने आपके कुछ सवालों का जवाब दे पाया, आपकी कुछ confusions को clear कर पाया, आपकी कुछ मदद कर पाया. So if this video was helpful for you, please leave a like, comment down below any questions you have and I will make sure to answer them. Subscribe for upcoming videos and don't forget to enjoy this time. With that, see you on the next video. We'll be right back.